Hello everybody, welcome back to Cabin Crew. So in today's video, we're just playing it again. And we're just gonna be doing some normal stuff. Most stuff, and yeah. So, yeah, it's loading. Whoa, geez, is that up whoa. Oh. Alright, we're playing. Very good. Wait, is that a banana peel? Alright guys, I'm fine, I'm good. But I'm fine right now. I just took a banana peel. Alright. Right. So right now we are gonna grab our 737 and add it in here. So we're just gonna grab it, head to Seattle. I think we should upgrade our food section soon. But not yet. I want at least $1,000 for that. Okay. We need $5,000 for the crew. Oh, I don't think there's anybody at the same airport, and yeah. Both of them are $20 now? You gotta be kidding me. I hire more of you. And your prices still raising. You know what? Why? Why should I even be paying you guys? Guys, you're terrible at doing your job. You're making me less money. Why should I? You know what? When's the new airplane coming? Bruh. Oh my gosh, I can't take it with these flight attendants. In here. Oh no, man. People just get weird. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Right, time to get this big mess. Prince, let me get something. Alright. At least we got 737. And that Alright. What can I grab? Alright. Sprite, bagel. Go. Let's see what ones do I want to open in here? Yeah, I'm gonna start business sporting. Alright, pretzels, more pretzels. Oh, whoa, got the cookies, ginger ale, cups, and napkins. I'm gonna close all these now. Right. Alright, let's go. Oh, gonna start off with the Coca-Cola for you. Water for you. I think after this I'm gonna have to expand my first class in business options here. Alright, or else gonna start economy voting. Move out, please. So move, there's nobody else. Nobody. Oh my gosh. We gotta collect the trash. Passengers! Alright. Buckle your... excuse me. Buckle your seatbelt. Buckle your seatbelt. Bring your seat upright. Alright. Hey. Bring your seat upright. Oh my gosh. Passengers. Listen to your flight right now. Buckle your seat. Alright. Heat. Whoa, not a lot of people with Buckle your seatbelt. Buckle your seatbelt. Buckle your seatbelt. Bring your seat upright. I asked for you to buckle your seatbelt. Oh my gosh. And there's still people coming. Great. Alright. Alright, let's go. Go. Move up. Excuse me, sir. Bring your seat upright. Alright, fine. Bruh. Bring your seat upright.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
There. Here, alright. Bring your seat upright. Dude, there's nobody else. That's the only reason. No, I'm climbing the back seat. Finally. Hi guys. Hello. Yeah, the 747 is a pretty cool plane. Alright. Hey. Now go ahead. Close the door. Alright. Oh my gosh. Going up there. Here. Yes. Alright. Where do I put this? Close. Run. Oh gosh, there's still over a bin in this to close. Here, alright. Let's go. Alright. We're gonna skip taxi. Alright, we're gonna take off.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Off here, right? Finally, going. Alright, you can turn off turbulence, faster baby crying, weather particles, difficulty, lost pet, the NPC safety demo. Oh, wait a minute. And it here. No TVs. What does that mean? I don't know. Alright, so. Alright. I'll just go back to my original view. Alright. And finally. Alright.
This is your captain from the flight deck.
God,
we have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Sprite. Pepsi. What's it so... I want to click twice. Nice. Ginger ale. Hey. Pepsi. Bro! Pepsi. Oh, phew. We actually got that one. Anyways, here's the water. Here's the ginger ale. Oh, here's ginger ale. Pepsi. No! Dude! Alright. Easy. Sprite. Water! Alright, why is this taking so long? Alright, and Pepsi. Alright, a ginger ale. Pepsi. Water. Ginger ale. ginger ale. Yep, water, ginger ale. Yo, alright. Pepsi. Peps! Bruh, I wanted to keep it to him. Right, this is good. Alright, so now it's time to do the food. Food now. Right. So here's your chips. Here's your nut mix. Here is your gummy bears. Here's your chips. Here's your peanuts. Here's your gummy bears. Here's your bagel. Here's your gummy bears. Here's your energy bar. Here's your chips. Here's your bagel. Peanuts. Nuts, and you can take care of the 2 bagels. Goes here. Oh, let me just take care of these. Here's your bagels. Here's your peanuts. Alright. Things are good. Do you like anything to eat? I've already received the nut mix. Yeah, that's cool. But do you want anything to eat? Alright, let's go. Oh, here. Alright. Alright, we're just gonna close all of these right now. No! Boy, what? Wait. Still more. Oh my god! You guys! You forgot the entire first class and business class! Bro, you forgot? You forgot? Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? No. I pay you to do both, and you only do one. And why? I pay you $20. You take the seat even without me.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
This time I'll be getting the back seat. Alright, and we will be landing soon. On here. Oh my gosh, what? It went right through a cloud. Fester's lost a pet. Oh my god. Whoa! Duck. Hey. Come back here. Come back here right now. No, you need to come back now. Oh my god. What just happened? Here's a pet dog. That's my dog is good. Airline needs you better. Since when? And since when did you need to complain? I got your dog back. Dog back right now. I got your dog back right now. Oh, and you're complaining? That doesn't sound that good to me. Considering that I literally hire people. Well, bruh, did you even do business in this class? Dude! Why does nobody
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Alright, this time. Right, now go do your job and take care of business class. Bruh. Okay, he's actually doing work, which is pretty cool. Buckle your seatbelt. Bring your seat. Oh my gosh, a passenger's not cooperating. Are you serious here? Alright, who is it? Who is this person right now? Alright, that one seems to be moving. Alright, who does not want to comply here? I'm gonna run like this. Bro. Do it, bro. Can you not right now? Right, so we're gonna have to tape your hands. Can tell someone type of what's going on. Wait, what? What? I'm just gonna sit you. Everybody's just, I like the new things, like, they're just like, oh, what? This is unacceptable. Yeah, tell that to the authorities. And because of one person, apparently the whole airline wants to speak out. Alright, wait, what? These flight attendants are doing a terrible job. You're telling me you only did half the work right now? I pay you to do everything, and you do half the work? You're not even gonna cooperate. If you want to get paid, you need to work. No, hey, alright. Hey, so this, alright. First of all, you're not gonna get me fired. Second of all, this is not ridiculous. Third of all, who told you can speak? I can't wait to sue you for this. What? Hey, you can't do this, bro. Why could you do that? Are you sure? Yeah, I do not care. And we also have the Boeing 717 crew, which is not good. Oh my god. Bruh. Go back to my original camera. Wait, why are we at the same camera? Okay, it's alright. We're finally going. Alright, we're just gonna skip taxi. Oh my gosh, that was a disaster. Yes, the authorities are waiting at the gate, sir. You are gonna get away from this. You are not. I am gonna get away with this. Your dad is. First of all, your dad is not David Bazooka. Your name is Raul. Your dad is Nikocado Avocado and a bunch of bad stuff. Alright, authorities. Yes, come on. Authorities. The authorities are here. And they're just gonna fix everything up. Trying to understand. Alright, we're just gonna open all of your red bins. It's 719 Starbucks. Pretty nice. Nice. And Seattle, here we come. Alright. 8. Hey, we're just gonna zoom. Alright, we're gonna just zoom here. Alright. So, I think there's game passes in this, right? Oh yeah, here it is. 400 Skybucks costs 50. 6,000 Skybucks costs 550 Robux. Alright, that seems a little overpriced. Custom tail. Oh, come on. That's a game pass? I said I can do a game pass. In my opinion. Alright. Hey, I'm just gonna grade this flight right now. Now. Hold on, what's a glass jetway? Wait, we're actually gonna be taking a look. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I think we're going to fly again on this, but is there a faster way to make money here? I think you can make better money if you get better seats. We don't have enough better stuff for that. I think if we increase it by 1%, and will That's 63. Well, increase. Yeah, we can't really do anything with the seat layout, but we do get this cool view of what it actually looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and head to a different one. First class. Alright, so right now we got the basic seats. 6 seats. Now the best one is the POSH SEAT, which is a British word. Wait, Qantas? Yo! Wait, what? Wait, we can just steal libraries? Breweries or something? Wait. Hey, we could do a cool thing with this. Yeah, we could like combine with some stuff. Like we could combine with McDonald's. Yeah, but it's pretty cool like it is. But I do think it would be pretty cool to have a new some. So if we go to side text, can we write it? So if we just go O, I entered it. All right, we're gonna go back. Hold on. What if we go international airlines in the middle? No, that looks pretty cool. Ooh, but could we make it bigger? I really think we could do something with this. Like, oh look, like what if we combined with Air Canada? Yeah, I don't think that would be very good. So we are just going to change. Hey, so looking at it here, we can also get. Wait, we can change the business legroom. Alright, so immediately, without losing any seats here, so we can increase it quite a bit. Here, and it's only gonna cost us a few dollars. That's 100% legroom. I'm changing that. Wait, hold on. Do we lose seats at the front? We don't. Yeah! Yo, this is good legroom right now. It's not forcing anything on the economy class. Let's go, man. And also, I'm gonna move it back up to upper. You can also go other fonts, like, how many fonts are there? There's this one, International Airlines. That one looks like a cartoon. This is like a fancy one. Fantasy. Dunk one. Creepster. And then Bangers. But I just like... What one was I using right now? Fundamental. Alfredo. Gotham Black. Lucky Sky. There's a bunch of random ones, but I like Source Sands, I guess. So yeah, we're just gonna exit. So I wanted to see if we can make the aircraft better. And we did. So I think it's gonna be a lot better now. Wait, hold on. Done. Yeah, I think it increased. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Go back. Back. I think before it was 9:30. Yes, it was. You can also get 2 multiplayer. Right. Well, sadly, we only did 1 flight, but that's the end for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. In the next video, trust me, it's gonna be cool.